Today is April 1st. A very happy April Fool's Day to all of you. Well, who is the fool really? The system, the people, or something else entirely? Well, we'll leave that up to you to decide. Hello, hi, salam, or namaste. Welcome to MQM 24/7. Let's dive straight into all of the case updates ongoing in April 2026, along with any crucial moments that you should be aware of. On December 6, 2025, 25 people died in an inferno caused at an illegally constructed property, Birch by Romeo Lane. The owners of the property, the Luthra brothers, managed to get bail for this crime. While the Luthra brothers have been let out on bail by the Mercer's Court, the MAPSA court has held them back in the forgery case as of now. Another co-owner of Birch by Romeo Lane and a co-accused, Ajay Gupta, is already out on bail. Next up is the Ponda by-election. The election will be held on April 9th, with the results expected to be out on May 5th. The seat got vacant when BJP MLA Ravi Nayak died last year in October 2025. The candidates are Ritesh Nayak, son of the late Ravi Nayak, running on a BJP ticket. Congress has fielded Dr. Ketan Bhatikar, a physiotherapist, while AAP has put forward Ritesh Nayak, a businessman. Moving on to the next case, the Karchori sexploitation case of minor girls by a councillor's son, Soham Sushant Nayak. Soham continues to be in judicial custody. The latest update is that his luxury car, which was used to sexploit survivors, the minor girls in this case, has now been confiscated, seized by the local police. The case continues to be handled by the crime branch. The case is still ongoing. We will keep you posted on further developments around this exploitation case. Currently, the political parties in Goa, right from BJP, the Congress, the AAP, are all busy blaming each other, sharing photographs, blaming as to with whom did Sushant Nayak, the father of Soham Sushant Nayak, was last seen with. Was it with Congress, was it with AAP, or with BJP? While shifting the focus from the actual survivors of the case to whom the father belonged to politically, to the much-hyped DRS scheme, the deposit refund scheme, which has been aggressively positioned as a reward system for the consumer, which is in fact just an extra payment, extra burden on the consumer, which the consumer ends up getting back after paying a deposit, which by returning the packaging is now in effect. As of April 1st, the DRS scheme has been officially launched. However, the collection centers, the packaging, the norms, the rules to be in place are all entirely still missing. The fourth phase of the iron ore mineral block option will be auctioned on April 16th. 6 mineral blocks, 5 in North Goa, 1 in South Goa, with 170 million tons of reserves will be auctioned. 53 bids have so far been received from major players including Vedanta, JSW and Fomento Group. The Goa government expects over 230 crores in upfront payment as part of this auction. I am Misbah reporting for MQM 24/7. Stay informed, stay vigilant and stay tuned in to MQM 24/7, Goa's first woman-led English independent news platform. The Indian Army protects us from the enemies outside, while MQM 24/7 vows to protect you from the enemy within. Jai Bharat, Jai Innovation.